Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys had a great week and hope you have a good weekend. We're heading into the weekend, guys. We made it today, number 187 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So go back and watch these videos um, for the beginning of this challenge so you can kind of get an idea of where we started versus where we are now. Okay. So day number 187. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, guys. This is My Lead Gen Secret, guys. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, it's an email platform, an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 leads. And what's going to determine the lead count is going to be how many accounts that you have accumulated. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. So you can literally sign up and then sign up underneath yourself using your own affiliate link. And you can get as many accounts as you like. All right. So a little bit about myself with My Lead Gen Secret, guys. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years. I totally love the service. I mean, I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work, it does convert, and I have received paychecks from My Lead Gen Secret and also multiple affiliate networks that I'm a part of that I received. Okay. I have about 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. I like sending out my emails at night. Okay. Anytime between 9 to midnight, before midnight, preferably. Also, you can send them out, and you don't have to do that though. You can send them out early in the morning. You can do afternoon, however you guys want to do it. Okay. I just like sending mines out at night. Another cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret, you can send out one email every 24 hours. So every day you can come in and get in front of thousands of people every single day with by sending one email blast. All right. So there's just a lot of cool perks with My Lead Gen Secret. Now, there's going to be two ways that you can make money with My Lead Gen Secret. Number one is going to be using the My Lead Gen Secret system itself. Okay, you could literally come in here, go to the mailing system, create your own email. Okay, and insert your affiliate link, which is right here. Send that email out, guys. You can do it that way. Also, there's some free email swipes that you can use. Click on affiliates, go to promo tools. And if you come down here, there's going to be about 10 pre-written email swipes that you guys can use. And literally what you would do is just click on import. It's going to import it into the mailing system. As you can see, we're in the mailing system. You click on all of the emails that you have in your account. And then what it does, it loads everything up and then it pre-populates the subject line. Okay. And then it also pre-populates the email. So you don't even have to write the email. It's already here for you. So as you can see, this email copy is ready to go. Looks really good. And then also you have your affiliate link down at the bottom. You come down here, you click on perfect timing, and this email is ready to go. Okay. Now you can make this bigger by, do something like this, and then come down here to size. You can, make it bigger, 14, 16, whatever size you want. You can, make this a different color if you like. Okay. And then you come down here, make sure you have that check mark in perfect time, and then you click on send. Now you cannot see the buttons now because I've sent out my emails already today. So there's no buttons that I've already clicked on the button for today. Okay. But you will see either send now or preview, and you would just click send now. What that's going to do, this email blast is going to go out to all those people that are on this account, and I'll be able to get in front of those customers, okay, and I can be able to get subscribers, and then eventually get people to buy the program, the My Lead Gen Secret program. Very easy to do, okay. So that's one way that you can make money with My Lead Gen Secret. The other way is going to be using an affiliate network, like I was describing, like I stated in the beginning of this video. Places like ClickBank, you can use Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. Those are the ones that I have that I'm a part of that I've earned income with. So that's why I'm naming those off. But that's going to be the second way is just by using one of those networks and you can use the business opportunity section. You can use those business opportunity offers from those networks. Okay. So we're using ClickBank for the sake of this video because what I've noticed is that the My Lead Gen secret traffic, they respond very well to the ClickBank offers. So that's why we're using the offers. Now on ClickBank, there's about 4 different offers that you can use that work really good with this traffic, and those offers are ready to go. Okay, and they also have pre-written email swipes as well. All right. Now there's going to be 3 different ways to send out an email. Okay, in the system, you can create your own email by just coming up with something really good that's pretty much surrounded by the affiliate offer that you're promoting. 2, you can use an email AI service or chat GPT to ask it to create you an email, okay, based on the offer that you're promoting. Um, and then the third way is going to be using the free email swipes that come with the offer on ClickBank, okay? And that's what I would recommend first is that third option because the emails for the offer are dedicated to the offer. So those emails are basically the emails and the affiliate link go together, okay, and everything is congruent, so all you have to do is copy and paste over the pre-written emails. Okay, now with those offers, those 4 different offers that I was telling you, those offers have about 20 different free email swipes that you guys can use, and all you got to do is copy and paste those over and use them over and over and over again. Now, after using them for about 2 months, what you could do is repurpose those emails by using a email AI service, okay, or chat GPT. Okay. So that's where I would start at first. If I was in the beginning of this method, that's where I would start. Okay. I would literally go to ClickBank, use the free offers and send those, send those emails out and keep using those over and over and over again. Okay. So that's it, guys. And let me show you what one of those emails would look like from the vendor, which is, you can use any one of them. So, like right here, for instance, if you go to clickbank.com, one of those offers, they give you a subject line to put in. And then they also give you a body of a email swipe to use. Okay. So they would give you the email swipe, you paste it in, okay, to the system, and then you create a clickable link, which is going to be right here. So every time our prospect clicks on click here to apply now, it's going to take them to our affiliate page, and our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Us as affiliate marketers, our job is to get our prospects to the offer, and we get them signed up, and then they start making money with the program. Okay, they start working and making money. All right, so that's the whole idea here, guys. That is the method, is using those free email swipes to promote your business opportunity offer. Okay, and then you will start making money from that. All right. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Those are going to be the 2 popular ways to make money with this system. And then also the 3 ways to send out an email, that you could do. Okay. So let's go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. If you don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate network where you can go and promote other people's products. Okay. So ClickBank, I've been with ClickBank over a century now. It's one of the best networks that I've been a part of, and they pay pretty good, and they pay every week. Okay, that's one thing about ClickBank. Why I love them so much is they pay every week. Okay, so just like a job, if you're getting paid every week at your job, this is a network where you can come and you can get paid. Okay, so it's free to join. There's no link that I have for you guys to sign. Just go to clickbank.com and sign up. Okay. And you can go ahead and get started in under 5 minutes. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and scroll down here. This is my back office. I have multiple ClickBank accounts, but I'm only using this one ClickBank account just for my lead gen secret, just to show you that there's no other traffic source that I'm using. I'm only using one traffic source for this challenge. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at the date here. Today is October the 31st. Okay. And as you can see down here at the bottom, it is the 31st here at the bottom. All right. So let you know this is not some kind of fake screenshot or anything like that. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here and let's talk about the results. What I like doing is the last 30 days. That way you can kind of see the algorithm leading up to when we start making sales every single day. Okay. But the last 30 days is what I like doing. That way you can kind of see the algorithm and see what it would look like for you if you were to get started. Okay. And you were to start from, day one all the way up to, month number 6. Okay. Where we are now. Okay. So this is the last 30 days, what it would look like, months between 3 and 6. You want to get these sales pretty consistently. Okay. So these sales are coming in pretty consistent. As you can see, you may have a day where you can go, or may have a week where you can go 4 days in a row. Okay. We missed 2 days, but then we came back and we got 2 days right here. And then as you can see, we're getting 2 days, but we're missing days here and there. We missed 2 days right here, missed a day, missed 2 days. But then we came back right here, as you can see, and we got 4 sales in a row. Okay. We did not get a sale today. Okay. So not every day you're going to make a sale starting out. Okay. Just depending on the months that you're in. Now, your accounts can be different than mine, okay? Every account is not created equally, okay? Just depending on how many accounts that you have and how good your leads are, all right? So, all our accounts are different, okay? There's, different traffic in each account. So, yours can perform better or even worse, right? So it just depends. But it will level itself out at once you get to a certain status, and once you get be with the company for a certain time period, you will start getting you will get good leads. Okay, so we're in month number 6 now, and these are the results from month number 6. And the cool thing about it being month number 6, guys, is that this traffic, just know that this traffic, as long as we keep sending out emails every day, this traffic will stay in place. Okay. There's not going to be a time where it just goes away, right? And this traffic is something that you can count on. Okay. This traffic, these numbers right here, these results are week in and week out, every single week, okay, every single month, right? That this traffic will come in, and it's only going to keep going up and up. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like if you guys wanted to get started. Now, if you're looking for extra income, maybe to help pay some bills, put some food on the table, light bill, gas bill, tons of things out there. Fill up your gas tank or whatever. This is the extra income that you can earn, okay, to use for that extra money while you're building your business. Okay. Now, once you get a year in, a couple years in, you're gonna be high rolling. Okay. You can get this thing up to, I know I've seen some people up making up to $5,000 a month with this method. Okay. So it is possible for you guys to earn a pretty steady income doing so by starting this method. All right. Now, I did leave a link below this video. So if you guys go below this video right here and you click on this more tab, all right, it's going to take you down here. And what you want to do is you want to click on this MLGS True Freedom, click on that link. It's going to take you to the landing page of My Lead Gen Secret, and it's going to tell you how to get started. Now, if you come down here, you're going to be able to see testimonials from other people making money with just promoting My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, you can promote My Legion Secret. You can promote other networks. Like I said, Warrior Plus is right here. There's people making money with other networks. Okay, so these people are earning income. Okay, so just work at it, guys. Go ahead and get started. The hardest thing about doing this method, guys, is getting started and getting the tools that you need to get started. There's two things you need. You need My Legion Secret accounts, and you need a ClickBank account, okay, or Warrior Plus, whichever one. So go ahead right here, guys. Click on Join MLGS now. It'll take you to another part where you can sign up and get started. Okay, you can get started immediately right away. Once you create your account, you can send your leads out to your first 100 subscribers or 200 subscribers. Okay, depending if you get a second account. Pay your one-time charge of $60, and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer. Okay, for you guys to start investing in yourself and investing in your future on setting up an extra income stream for yourself. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys. Excuse me. I wanted to show you guys how to get started today. That's where you go. Click on that link below this video. Just wanted to show you the results, what it would look like for you if you were to get started, and they do pay every week. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Follow this channel. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff that I'm going to have here for you guys just for this community, just to be helpful and help other people earn income online. Okay. I'm not, there's nothing I have to gain here. There's no, big commission for you guys joining up and signing up underneath my link or anything like that. And like I said, once you sign up, you start signing up under your own link, not mine. Okay. So I'm just here just to be helpful and to share this information with other people, because once I figured out how to start making money online, it was my job, my due diligence to share that back with the community and not be selfish and just make money and then not, help others. Okay. So I want to help you guys make money and help you guys get started. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm not going to keep this video any longer. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below. Let me know what you think about this stuff, if it helps, or if you have any suggestions on, anything that you want me to show you guys on how to do. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I did send out my emails tonight already. So we'll meet back up here tomorrow, okay, for the start of a brand new month, and we will go from there. So I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.